Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up P2P on Binance. Peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other individuals, using your preferred local currency and payment methods. Binance acts as a trusted intermediary, holding the crypto in escrow to ensure secure transactions. Before you start, you will need to register an account and complete identity verification, also known as KYC, to access this service. To prepare for your first P2P trade, first ensure your Binance account is fully verified. Next, you need to add your preferred payment methods. This could be a bank account, a mobile money wallet, or other local options. Make sure all details are entered correctly to prevent any delays. Remember, any crypto you buy or sell via P2P will be held in or transferred to your funding account. Now, let's place an order. Go to the P2P section on Binance. You'll see options to buy or sell. Select your desired cryptocurrency and local currency. It's crucial to choose a trustworthy merchant. Look for those with a yellow badge and a high completion rate, ideally 98% or more. Once you find a suitable offer, enter the amount you wish to trade and confirm your order. After placing your order, you will receive the seller's payment details. Proceed to make the payment directly through your banking app or chosen method outside of Binance. Once the payment is successfully sent, return to the Binance app and click Transferred, Notify Seller. The seller will then confirm they received your funds, and Binance will promptly release the cryptocurrency from escrow into your funding account. Always verify payment in your own bank before releasing crypto if you are selling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.